Hello, dear students. The answer to the posted question, I hope you try it at least solve it yourself. So we're given circular spinner. It's divided into three sections. Let's draw. Right, an arrow is attached to the center. To the center, the arrow is spun twice. The probability that the arrow stops on the largest section is 50%. The probability it stops on the next largest section is 1 in 3. And we need to find the probability it stops on the smallest section. Right? So if probability for the spinner to stop on the largest section is 50%, it means that the circle is divided into two halves, right? So and probability to stop on the one half is 50% or 1 over 2, right? And we understand, right, that these three sections are different in size, since the probability to stop on the largest section is half, 1 out of 2. Probability that it stops on the second largest section, 1 out of 3. So what is the smallest section, what portion, right? So we need to compare two fractions. Now we have to remember how can we compare two fractions. So we need to convert them to same denominator. So, and common denominator will be 6. So this converts into 3 over 6, and this converts into 2 over 6, right? So we need to divide our spinner into 6 sections, right? And here you go, we have, now watch, this will be half, this is 1 out of 2, this is 1 out of 3, and remember, so this section will be 1 out of 3, so half of 1 out of 3 will be 1 out of 6. So the probability that it stops on the smallest section is 1 out of 6. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like.